हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आप सब कैसे हैं? मैं तो अच्छी हूँ। चलो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर दो और कमेंट भी करना इसके बाद कि नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आप कौन सा सीखना चाहते हो। चलो, टुडे वी विल लर्न क्रेस्ट टॉपिक which is science, water all over the earth. So let me write the topic. Water all over earth. So there are many regions in earth. So first let's draw a diagram of earth. So this is the earth, and as we all know, this is the equator line and these are the tropics. This is the tropic of Cancer and this is the tropic of Capricorn. So now, when these tropics are there, this whole area is called the tropics, tropical area or tropical region. So now, in the tropics, there is hot water. It is not the water which we boil and drink, but it is the water which is slightly warm than the water at these poles. This is the South Pole and this is the North Pole. Over here, the water is cold compared to the water in the tropics. And that's why we call this hot water and this cold water. So, as you know, that there are Antarctica and other cold regions in South Poles and North Poles only. That's why the water over there is very cold. Now, when this hot water is there, hot water's particles are more farther than the particles of cold water. So, it floats on the surface. But the cold water's particles are too much squeezed together, so it sinks down to the bottom of the ocean. When it sinks down to the bottom of the ocean, then it spreads around all our planet on the bottom, and hot water spreads around all our planet through the up. So in the north and south poles, there is hot water on the above, cold water at below. Now, you must be thinking, why does the cold water sinks down in the poles? Now, my friends, there is a very simple answer to that. चलो देखते हैं. The answer is that in the poles there are many glaciers and ice, and they are formed by the ocean water only, which is salty. But you must be thinking that if the ocean water is salty, how come the glaciers are made up of fresh water? Now, assume this as your water level of sea. Over here, the cold water is sunk down. But when there is starting, the cold water is everywhere. So there is no line. Now, when a glacier forms, it is freezed by this ocean water only. But then, we all know that the ocean water is salty. So this glacier should also be salty. But now, when water changes from liquid form to solid form, its density increases. So it automatically pushes all the salt out of it. Now when this freezes, this has cracks which push out the salt from it, and when that salt gets pushed out, it mixes into the ocean itself. Now all the ocean water has become more saltier because there is less water and more salt. So the salinity, which is the amount of salt in water, has increased. Now, these are the particles of cold water. They are close, but not as they are far, but not as far as the molecules of hot water. This is the molecules of cold water, and the molecules of hot water are farther apart than these. So as you can see the difference, but when salt increases, they get more closer, which increases their density and which makes the water in the pools sink down because of its more density. And the water from the tropics, as I explained later before, it spreads across the world on the surface and cold water below. So that is how glaciers in Antarctica is made up of glaciers, and the water over there, if you test it, it has more salinity than the water in the tropical areas. So that was all for today. So one more question. Everybody thinks that in the foreign countries, why does only the top layer of water freezes and people do ice skating on it? Why not below also the whole lake freezes? Now the answer to this is very simple and easy. So let me draw a diagram of it. So let me erase this one. Now you have understood that why the cold water sinks and the hot water rises. Now my friends, coming back to that question, the answer is, this is your lake and this is the atmosphere. Nowadays, in atmosphere, the temperature is very cold, don't you think? So it is colder than above and down. It is colder than the below part of it. So what happens is that the layer of water is only getting cooling from the upper side, not below, not this side, nor that side. So what happens is the hot water rises above always and the cold water is below, if you will see anywhere. So now the hot water keeps the water beneath it hot, as there is nothing over here. But now, as on the surface there is the atmosphere, so it freezes a very thin layer of ice, which people skate down. Now the question is, why doesn't the whole lake freeze? That is because the hot water is maintaining the temperature of all this part. No more cooling is getting in through this. We can also conclude by this that ice is a good insulator of heat. That means it is good in captivating heat at one place. So that's why people skate on this thin layer of ice, and we can even see fishes moving below. When people fish, they cut out a hole and there is water inside. Now you know why does that happen. I know you must be wondering, but now you know the answer. Okay, so that was all for today. Thank you for watching, and please comment which topic you want to learn next.